If you have a degree measurement, you can convert it to a radian by multiplying it by pi over 180 every single time. So let's do it a couple times. We're going to convert each degree measurement into its radian measurement. So we're going to start off with 72 degrees and we're going to convert it to its radian measurement. So we're going to take 72, and if you want to, over 1 multiplied by pi over 180. And when you multiply this across, you're going to end up getting 72 pi over 180. And then when you simplify this down, you're going to end up getting 2 pi over 5. And that's the radian measurement for 72 degrees. Next we have 54 degrees. So again, we can do 54 over 1 times pi over 180. And so just multiply across, we're going to get 54 pi over 180. And then simplify this down, it's going to simplify down to 3 pi over 10. Done. We can even do negative degree measurements, so negative 45 degrees. So negative 45 over 1 times pi over 180. It's going to end up giving you negative 45 pi over 180, which will reduce down to negative pi over 4. And we can even do degree measurements that go multiple times around the unit circle, multiple revolutions. So 1080, we're going to do 1080 over 1 times pi over 180, which will end up just giving you 1080 pi over 180. And then when you simplify this down, you're going to end up getting 6 pi. And this is how you would convert degree measurements, degree measurements to radian measurements. Just multiply by pi over 180 and simplify. Now, we can do the same thing. We can go from radians to degrees. So if you have a radian measurement, you can convert it to a degree by multiplying it by 180 over pi, just the reciprocal. So we're going to start off with 7 pi over 6. So 7 pi over 6 times 180 over pi. And here you can just do the arithmetic. Don't have to go through everything, but the pi's will cancel out. And then 7 times 180 divided by 6 is just going to end up giving you 210. And it's degrees, so don't forget the degree symbol. Like so. So the degree measurement for 7 pi over 6 is just 210 degrees. Next we're going to do 11 pi over 3. So 11 pi over 3 multiplied by 180 over pi. So again, the pi's will cancel out and we just do 11 times 180 divided by 3. And that's going to end up giving you 660 degrees. Done. Next we have negative 3 pi over 2. So we'll take our radian measurement and multiply it by 180 over pi. Again, the pi's will cancel out. And then negative 3 times 180 divided by 2 is going to give us negative 270 degrees. Last, we have a very simple 6 pi, which should look familiar from the last one we did on the previous page. So 6 pi, we can say over 1 times 180 over pi. The pi's will cancel out, and then 6 times 180 is going to give us 1080 degrees, which it should, since the degrees to radian measurement was just this in reverse. And this is how you can convert radians to degrees.